Hey there, welcome to Metricom's Explainer. Today, we're uncovering how street cleaning is actually your ultimate disease prevention tool.
So, why clean our streets? You're probably thinking it's just to make things look pretty, right? Well, think again. Sure, no litter looks great, but the reality, street sweeping is literally a hardcore disease prevention tool. Think about it. Streets are giant mixing bowls where people, waste, and water collide, sparking major health crises. So, what are we fighting? There are 5 hidden, microscopic threats lurking on your daily commute. Let's dive in. First up, pests. Uncollected trash is a magnet for rats and flies, tracking nasty pathogens right into your kitchen. Next, clogged drains. That's stagnant water. It breeds mosquitoes and spreads highly contaminated runoff absolutely everywhere. Then, overflowing bins. They aren't just gross to look at. They're literally bubbling microbial hotspots waiting to explode. Plus, vehicle dust kicks up heavy metals straight into our lungs, completely wrecking the city's air quality. But hey, protecting us shouldn't endanger the workers. These cleaners face wild biological and physical hazards every single day. With all these invisible threats, how do we actually build a shield to protect ourselves? Let's look at solutions. We can't just react when someone complains. We need a rock-solid, structured, preventive system running in the background. This means setting up strict system controls like preventative schedules and pest monitoring to stay ahead of the risks. Take risk-based zoning. Places like markets and hospitals, they absolutely need lightning-fast, targeted cleaning compared to quieter streets. And contractor goals must focus on rapid response and real risk reduction, not just counting the tons of waste. Now, the real game changer is digital. Connected data flips manual cleaning into a super smart, proactive health system. It's a simple 4-step flow. Find the hotspot, figure out the cause, fix it fast, and prevent it returning. Your help matters too. Using simple mobile apps or QR codes to report issues keeps this whole shield strong. It's all about small controls. Clearing standing water within 48 hours, that literally stops massive health crises in their tracks. So remember, a clean street is your ultimate invisible shield. It's our frontline defense system against serious diseases. So, I gotta ask, is your city just sweeping up or actually protecting you from the invisible? Keep questioning.